Are you ready to experience the cutting-edge world of reverse engineering services in Dankaur, Delhi NCR? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, the leading provider of innovative solutions in this field. With their unmatched expertise and state-of-the-art technology, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is revolutionizing the way products are designed and manufactured. Whether you are looking to recreate an existing product or enhance its functionality, their reverse engineering services will exceed your expectations. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in offering top-notch reverse engineering services that cater to a wide range of industries. From automotive to aerospace, consumer electronics to medical devices, their team of skilled engineers has the knowledge and experience to tackle any project. With their keen attention to detail and commitment to excellence, they ensure that every aspect of the original product is meticulously analyzed and replicated. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from the competition is their state-of-the-art technology and advanced software tools. Their team utilizes the latest scanning equipment to capture precise measurements of the original product, ensuring that every detail is accurately reproduced. The data is then processed using cutting-edge software, allowing for seamless integration into the design process. This sophisticated approach guarantees that the reverse-engineered product not only matches the original in appearance, but also exceeds it in performance. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands that time is of the essence in today's fast-paced business environment. That's why they are committed to delivering their reverse engineering services in a timely manner without compromising on quality. Are you in need of top-notch reverse engineering services in Dankaur, Delhi NCR? Look no further than Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. With their exceptional expertise and cutting-edge technology, they offer unparalleled solutions for all your reverse engineering needs. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a renowned name in the industry, known for their precision and attention to detail. Whether you require reverse engineering services for automotive parts, industrial equipment, or any other product, they have got you covered. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd takes pride in their ability to reverse engineer even the most complex components with utmost accuracy. Their team of skilled professionals utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and software to ensure that every detail is captured with precision. By employing advanced scanning techniques and 3D modeling software, they are able to recreate the exact specifications of any product. This allows them to provide you with highly accurate and reliable reverse engineering services. What sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from the competition is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand the importance of delivering results that meet your specific requirements and expectations. Whether you need reverse engineering services for